how to use Notion AI for productivity and automation. Most people think productivity means doing more, but real productivity means doing less and letting systems handle the rest. Today, I'll show you how to use Notion AI to think faster, plan smarter, and automate the parts of work that waste your time. This is Incognito Future Lab, where the future speaks in code. Let's begin. Notion AI isn't just a note-taking upgrade. It's a creative assistant built into your workspace. You can use it to brainstorm, organize, and even write full pages automatically. The key is to combine structure with prompts that guide the AI like a teammate, not a tool. Start with Capture. Open a new page in Typespace, plus ask AI. Say what you need in plain language. Summarize this meeting in 5 bullet points, or draft a task list with deadlines from this paragraph. Notion turns messy notes into clean summaries, so you never waste time rewriting. Next, build templates that work automatically. Inside any project page, add sections for goals, tasks, progress, and notes. Then ask AI. Fill each section with example data for a content project. Instantly, you have a working model you can duplicate forever. It's like building your own custom productivity software. No coding, just logic. Now connect context and action. Highlight text and choose Ask AI right arrow, make it actionable. The tool converts ideas into to-dos with verbs and deadlines. Example, plan social content for next week, becomes create 3 post ideas by Monday. You don't just store thoughts, you move them. For writing, Notion AI acts as an editor. Select any paragraph and click Improve Writing. It fixes flow, grammar, and rhythm while keeping your tone intact. If you need variety, choose Change Tone and test Friendly, Professional, or Bold. Each click trains you to recognize clarity, not clutter. Now let's automate your day. Use databases. Create a task database with columns for status, priority, due date, and owner. Then ask AI. Generate automation rules, move tasks marked down to archive, and flag overdue items in red. One click and Notion AI writes the formulas for you. That's real-time project management powered by language. Need a daily dashboard? Say, build me a personal planner with calendar view, task summary, and reflection prompts. The AI will lay out the blocks. You can even ask it to auto-generate your morning checklist each day. Here's the mindset shift. Don't open Notion to type, open it to think. Let AI handle formatting, reminders, and repetition so your mind stays on direction and decisions. The less you touch, the more it does. For collaboration, share pages with your team. Ask AI. Summarize all updates from this week in 1 paragraph. Send that summary as your status report. No rewriting needed. When projects grow, link databases. Your ideas, tasks, and notes feed each other automatically. Ask AI to surface highlights or overdue work. The system becomes a self-updating command center for everything you build. Remember, Notion AI doesn't replace your workflow, it becomes it. It turns scattered thoughts into connected systems that think alongside you. That's what real productivity feels like, calm control. This is Incognito Future Lab, teaching you how to innovate with AI. Subscribe for more practical explainers and comment below.